The US stock market has regained its feet after the Fed's unexpected hawkish statements. Nevertheless, the Fed's reversion of the timeline for rate hikes didn't cause a market crash. On the contrary, yesterday Wall Street closed with confident gains, having won back Friday's losses in full. On Monday, all three benchmark stock indexes gained ground considerably. The uptrend is likely to carry on. The S&P 500 closed yesterday at 4,224 points, having climbed 1.4%. The index is expected to trade in the corridor of 4,180 to 4,260 in the near time. Experts have no doubts that yesterday's rally of US stocks proved that investors are ready to buy shares. Analysts reckon that the odds are that a new bullish wave in the US stock market is around the corner. Indeed, such expectations rest on healthy economic conditions in the United States. The US GDP expanded 6% in the first quarter on a yearly basis. Both the housing market and the construction sector are booming. The authorities have won the battle with the coronavirus amid successful mass vaccination. All in all, the US economy is on a sound footing that sets the stage for a further rally of stocks. Meanwhile, the US dollar asserted strength in light of the Fed's policy decisions. Its index is expected to hold in the corridor of 91.50 to 92.40, aiming to conquer new peaks. Experts are betting on the US dollar's strength for obvious reasons. Anticipation of earlier than expected rate hikes is bullish for the greenback. The Canadian dollar is making interesting moves. The USD CAD pair faced strong resistance at nearly 1.2500 amid the greenback's advance across the board. Today, the currency pair is trading at about 1.2380. It's likely to trade in the corridor of 1.23 to 1.2470 in the nearest days. The pair is projected to continue trading higher as long as the US dollar is setting the tone. Interestingly, growing oil prices are not acting as a catalyst for the loonish strength anymore. Speaking about the crypto market, Bitcoin's fall today came as a surprise even to analysts. The number one cryptocurrency sank as low as $29,500. This is a landmark level. It assured institutional investors to sell Bitcoin futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. As a result, futures were trading at a discount to the spot price. Besides, large crypto investors also decided to sell their digital tokens. Under such market conditions, Bitcoin is expected to plunge even lower to trade at about $28,000. To sum up, American stock markets are trading quietly amid the lack of crucial economic and political news. Traders will be alert to macroeconomic news on Thursday and Friday. Investors seem to be poised to carry on with their long positions. The US stock indexes are likely to test the highest levels of the year next week. And that's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.